Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options to change touch interaction sounds in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to find this function? Of course, in the settings menu. So, settings, sounds and vibration, and here we have a lot of options. We are interested in system sounds. So, system sound is here, and touch interactions. By default, it's turned off for whatever reason, but if you want to have it on, we can have it on. And as you can hear now, our every time we use our touch interactions on our phone, we will have a little sound. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please give a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.